It is Tuesday and market has been bullish since the last Friday, I believe. Price broke above that one and then created another order block, then again broke above that one. So yeah, today I do expect the price to move bullish for another day like this. If I take a look at the H4 time frame, you can see price has been respecting the H4 fair value gap, such as around this one. So first of all, we will start from this order block respected by this one, and then again respected this fair value gap by this one, and now I do expect the price to respect this one as well. And how that's going to be play out, if I take a look on M15, then you can see clearly price haven't taken any liquidity on the sell side yet. Price just took liquidity at the buy side and has been moving from there. So what I want to see is that price respecting this bearish order block on M15, then followed by a move like this while taking all the liquidity lower, and then make the expansion after having the market structure shift so that I can capitalize on it in the long side. And if I have to mark out my target, then it would be first target is this one. After that I would like to target this order block, after that this one, and last but not least the final target would be this high above. So yeah, that's pretty much it for plan in Euro USD. Now if I take a look at ZAO USD, as you can see, price has created a big wick yesterday on daily time frame, and whenever you can see a big wick, most of the time price tend to move higher. So my target for today is going to be this high on daily, and if not this one, then this one seems pretty good. Okay, and if I take a look at H4 time frame, even though price haven't shifted the structure yet on higher time frame, which is why I am not going to be totally sure about the long on ZAO USD on the 4 hour, because price is still moving around this H4 fair value gap. But if I take a look at the H1, you can see price has shifted the structure above this order block and now respecting that order block. So yeah, that's pretty much it on the ZAO USD in higher time frame. I don't wanna be like squeeze this one. Now if I take a look at M15, on M15, wait a minute, price haven't taken any liquidity yet, neither buy side nor sell side. So yeah, I will be waiting for price to take a liquidity first and then show me the move that I want to see. Uncertain at the ZAO USD because of the higher time frame, such as 4 hour haven't shifted and H1 is bullish. So yeah, that's it. So I'm in short position on ZAO USD. Price has swept the high and created a market structure shift to our downside, and execution wasn't that good. Execution couldn't be better, but it is what it is. Right now running in profit, and as you can see, I had my alert on the entry and the exit so that I can manage my position very well. So yeah, let's see how it turn out. I'm expecting the price to reach the swing low, but price might reverse after having the liquidity from here, because we do have this uh, engulfing candle and order block at the extreme of the low. So yeah, let's see how it turn out. So overall my plan was to go bullish on Euro USD, but you can see the price has different plans for it. So price basically just took the sweep of the liquidity and then shifted the structure on this one, retest with one candle. Obviously if I had executed on this one, my SL would been hit on there. So I think it would be much better if I got the execution on here and put my SL around this one, my TP here. So yeah, it wouldn't be in a good rate, but it is what it is. Overall my bias was wrong on Euro USD for today. But here's the thing, on if you take a look at the 4-hour, the reason my bias was wrong in Euro USD is because I were planning to take a long from this one after having the H4 fair value gap. But if you take a look at the DXY, price has shifted the structure above and respecting the bullish PD array on DXY, which is why I were a bit confused when it comes to moving bullish on EU. Okay, so as we planned at the beginning of the day, we do have the market structure shift towards the long side after having all the liquidity, and now I have my order around this level and SL below this one. So my TP will be as I have planned around this high or the high above. I think I would go with 3R. So yeah, that would be my TP, and yep, let's see how it turned out. The current price is still running at, you can say, kind of sideways on Euro USD, and at the same time on the same position on GBP USD, and yeah, that's it. Let's see how these two turn out. So this is how it is going right now, and today is 25th of March. It is the next day morning, and you can see from the beginning my bias on daily was right, but it meant I was saying that my bias was wrong because of this shitty market structure shift, which is again just crap. And also you can see I'm saying that my bias was right, but I took a loss. Yes, I took a loss because that entry was outside of my time window, but still I have taken the risk, and yeah, that was a loss, so can't complain about that one. But overall my bias was right. If I take a look at daily did turn out to be a bit bullish one. Price has been respecting that, and today I believe today is also going to be a bullish day, because as you can see price is right now moving below the opening price. So yeah, that's good news for me. Now if I take a look at the ZAO USD, then you can see, as I have planned, that this candle created this big wick and the next day engulfed the previous one. So my target was this one and the next target was this one. So price is pretty much moving to reach toward that target, and yesterday price has been already hit that one. So yeah, my planning was good, but it just, my execution wasn't very good. I was so confused about the direction and H4 structure. These were the problem from yesterday, which I need to fix to move forward with.